Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check the most traded stocks on the Cash App. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics, my growth strategy, and how I make money online. So let's jump into it. But first of all, you want to go to this little arrow button here when you open the Cash App. And this is the stock trading section. And if you scroll down a little bit, here you will see this panel which says the most traded monthly. These stocks were bought and sold more over the last 30 days than any other stocks available on Cash App. So the most traded one is Tesla, as we could guess. Apple and Amazon, these are the top three. The second three are Nvidia, Microsoft, and Moderna. Very interesting. The third group is Alibaba, Advanced Micro Devices, AMC Entertainment. Fourth group, Facebook, Alphabet, Netflix. Alphabet is actually the mother company of Google, YouTube, and all of their businesses. The fifth group is Snowflake, Boeing, and Bank of America. And yeah, that's it. These are the five groups, the 15 top traded stocks on the Cash App. But I think the Cash App is a pretty good representation of the stock market. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.